This is Davide Biocchi speaking, and this is my weekly intermarket analysis. Let's start with the euro dollar that right now is around 1.097, but recently remained for the most around the price of 1.09. Okay, so we have two clear levels here. The price up here that is more or less around this area, and it's around 1.11, and the price below here that is 1.075. That more or less is the main support in this area. So when the market will move above or below these two levels, I think we will see the next real trend. Let's switch immediately after to see commodities like the crude oil, let's say that is here, and the gold later. So for what concerning the crude oil, it's since more than 1.5 years in a range, large range, let's say 67 to 94, more or less 93, 94. But for the most, it remained in the $10 in between 72 to 82. It's around this level, even, let's say, in this period, up and down to this level. So let's see if we will see and remain for the most in this $10 up here or in the lower part here of a range. Let's see what is going to happen very soon. Immediately after, let's switch to the gold. The gold did very well and still remains and still is above the price of 2000. That is really relevant, really important. In this period, in this recent period, we have seen a new record high that was topped up here at around the level of 2150. But more or less, let's say that the most relevant resistance area is around 2080, 2100. Okay, so below here we have a level in this list of 4 consecutive increasing minimum here. We have a level at 1980 that to my perspective is the most relevant support. Below this level will mean below 2000 the price can go down, and if not, let's say reaching the level of 1850, well, can be possible to test the level here at around 1880. So this is a very important level. So it's really interesting, and let's see what is going to happen. For what concerning the bonds, the Treasury long term was able to go and test the very strong level here that was support and now works as a resistance and then came back. This area, congestion area, will work as a support that even worked here in the past. So if the market will be able to test again this level, maybe we can assist to a reaction that could be really interesting. Let's switch to the stock indices and let's start with the European. So the DAX, after this pennant, was doing a flag here and still is in the flag, waiting for some next maybe good results. And the same situation that we have on the DAX, we can find on the EURUSD 50. Relevant pennant here, let's say quite more weak, the flag that the EURUSD 50 is doing, but still interesting and still above the level of support that is here, and it was the previous level, the previous area where the market around 4,400 found a resistance that now is a support. For what concerning the US indices, there was, let's say, in the very beginning of the year, a quite important, quite relevant sell-off in the market, especially for what concerning the tech stocks. So the S&P 500 came back here, but now is reacting as is reacting the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq was unable to reach the level of 16,000 for the moment. That was assumed by the most relevant and important level. Could be the reaction can start even here. We have several, in this case, could be 3 minimum in a increasing minimum in a row here. So let's see what is going to happen. Target if we will go up the previous high up there. So thank you very much for being here with me. This is Davide Biocchi from Italy. See you soon. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.